We'll see how to turn keyboard light on Mac or turn off keyboard light on Mac. You can do same process of each and every model of Mac related laptops. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply click here in the top of the screen and the watch, and here the notification options are available. Inside the notification, always each and every Apple products, this notification look like this same, and here keyboard brightness is available. You just simply click on the keyboard brightness and you just drag and drop. If you want light on your keyboard, so you can drag entirely, so automatically lights are visible in your keyboard Mac. Otherwise you don't need to light on your keyboard, you just simply drop this one. It's very simple process to keyboard light on or off Apple laptop devices. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.